So today I'm going to be working on finishing up the retaining wall right here for the back patio that I started last fall. You can see I got the retaining wall all up in there and I just need to finish this section. Hey everybody, I'm Bill with Live Simple, Live Free, and I'm very excited to be able to get this back patio finished and straightened up because right now it's a mess. Now unfortunately my weed eater just quit on me. I haven't been able to get it started this spring yet, so I got a mess right here. I need to get that engine worked on so I can get it started and clean up that mess. But anyway, you can see where the retainer wall is, and then I will continue it around here. Now when I built this retaining wall last fall and I backfilled, I brought the dirt right up to the level of the top of the block there, and you can see where it sunk almost 4 inches. So I knew that was going to happen setting over the winter. It's all settled, that's a good thing. So now I need to fill all of that in and bring it up once again level to the brick. Now over here, these are the footers that I dug for the piers that I dug for the back deck. So I had brought a lot of dirt out of there. I backfilled it. I've still got some dirt right there, and I'm going to be able to use that to fill in here. And then over here, that wall is going to continue right through this dirt pile, so I'm going to have to dig some of that out so I can continue that retainer wall, and then I should have enough dirt here. Hopefully I'll have enough to finish it off and fill it around the edges where it sunk down a little bit. Now last fall when I was doing this, I talked about that we're going to be putting flagstone on there, patio stone, make a real nice stone patio. That's still in the plans for some time in the future. I'm not going to worry about that right now. I still need to finish the addition. But if I can get this all completely level and get grass planted in there, then it would be usable. Down there, the slope is such that it's not usable, but this will make it level so we can set up a barbecue here and put in a picnic table or something, even if it's just lawn. So that's the plan for now. Get it level, get it finished, grow grass. And then sometime in the future, I'll put patio stone down on it. Seems like I just can't get away from shovel work. You know, I was worried about having enough dirt here to fill out what I needed to do, but I've got way too much. This is the level of the patio and I got all of that. I'm gonna have to find someplace else to dump it. So as I was digging here, as I mentioned, I've got way too much dirt here. So I stepped back and looked at it and realized I had made kind of a mistake. I was curving this in too far. You can see the line where the wall was that I was building right here. So I didn't put it on camera because it's tedious, but I had the wall finished out to about here. I took it all apart, all the way back to this point, straightened it out, made it a little bit more, a little wider. That way I've got a little bit more room to put some of that dirt in there, and it makes the patio a little bit bigger. And but even at that, this whole area right here is too high, and I didn't realize it. It should all be at this level, so the patio is level when I do the pavers on it. So I might even have to get the backhoe in here. Once I get this filled in, I might have to get the backhoe in here and scrape off 3 or 4 inches of that whole high area to make it level. But at any rate, I'm much happier with it flaring out further than the way it was curving into much before. Well, so what do you think, dear one?
Oh, I'm excited. I think it looks awesome.
Yeah. Now, this is going to be the actual level. Notice that I got a big pile here.
Yeah.
Not only is it the pile of extra dirt, but this whole area, all the way up into there, is anywhere from 3 to 6 inches too high. So I need to get Barry's backhoe and just scrape that whole area level. But his backhoe is not going to be available for me for probably at least about a week.
Okay.
So
okay.
that'll have to be a later thing.
Okay.
And then of course over here, you see all the grass. My weed eater still won't start.
Oh goodness,
So,
if it's not one thing, it's another.
That's very frustrating, but as soon as I get the weed eater going, then I'll be able to clean all that up so it'll look very much better.
Yeah.
So.
Well, I think the red stone looks beautiful.
Yeah, I do too. And of course, you know, we talked about putting flagstone in here, and eventually we'll probably do that, but for right now I just want to get it level and get grass planted throughout the whole thing.
Well, you know, even with grass planted on there, it's really cool how this house works because, here, let me get over here, it's level a little bit better. Because the way this house is situated, as you can see, it's very, very sunny early in the day, but then it'll get really nice and shady back here, whereas the front is very shady in the mornings. It gets very sunny in afternoon and evening. So, you know, to use this as a back patio area, even while it's still just mowed grass, I think it's going to be really pleasant. Mm-hmm. I'm looking forward to it. I think it's a great idea. Yep. So, but it used to be just a definite slope there and kind of awkward to do anything with, but now we've got a nice level area. So I appreciate that. It's really good.
So there you go. Our back patio is coming along. It's not done, but it's coming along.
And there's actually even going to be siding on that on that and everything, you know. So, alrighty.
So, thanks for watching, everybody.
Yeah, live simple.
Live free. You be blessed.
Yep. We love you guys, and
we'll see you next time.
We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.